The first dance will be Mahaganapathim, which is composed by Muthuswami Dikshitar, one of the trinity of Carnatic music, renowned for his rich lyrical and musical depth. This kirti is set in Natai Ragam and is composed in Adi Talam, creating an energetic and auspicious atmosphere. This song is a tribute to Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and the harbinger of success. The lyrics praises Lord Ganesha as Mahaganapat, the great Lord with the face of an elephant, highlighting his wisdom, strength, and divinity. The Kirti reflects Muthuswami Dikshitar's devotion and his ability to weave profound philosophical ideas seamlessly with melodic beauty. Sung by Kumari Mandagini and to be performed by Kumari Kankshiya K.
मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदगप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदगप्रियं महागणपतो मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतं वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितं महागणपतम्